This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to all. Join the class, students. So today I'm going to teach you. Last class we have done on Friday. So till Wednesday classes will be there. So we'll wind up the classes. All the sessions will be completing on 14th. So that is the last class. So we have done till this. How much tax code creations? We'll just open that. Bring GST.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Someone is
ma'am,
asking.
about the test, ma'am, can you give us like a mock?
Huh? Yes. It will be
Can you give
MCQs.
us some mock questions for the test?
No, test will be MCQs only, objective type, multiple
No,
choice
for the
questions.
preparation. Can you give us like some mock questions?
No, there is no questions. Whatever I taught, everything will come. We'll discuss by on tomorrow. What are the important things has to learn? I'll be telling you tomorrow. Okay. So almost whatever I taught, T codes will come, like which currency we are using. I'll ask you few of the questions today at the end of the session. So you can just answer it how it will be. Okay. Which is the currency we are using in SAP? Which is the local currency?
INR.
Which is the local currency which we are using in SAP? Basic questions only. No one is answering. Which currency we are using?
INR.
Rupees. Rupees only we are using. INR, rupees we can say, right? Sorry. In Tally also we are using rupees, in SAP also local currency only we are using. And what is the T codes will come, almost all the T codes what we have done in the class, like what is for post outgoing payments, for incoming payments, then what is the T code for chart of accounts, like this all T codes whatever I taught, that will come. And navigation will come. Navigations means like how to go to the chart of accounts path, SPRO, SAP reference,
Ma'am,
ING,
can you like
financial
give us
accounting,
all
like
the
this.
key codes like together in one sheet?
I have sent one more, I
Remember
have
this
sent in the
mistake.
beginning.
We were ready. No, listen. We were
Who
ready.
is
What is
speaking?
right?
Mute yourself.
And then this once was after managing this teacher come. She's like,
Excuse
I
me,
only study
Nivedita.
question. I'll give you important question. Study so much. Then
Nivedita, you are
first time
speaking to someone else.
she was like, I don't know. Then she came near our bench. She was then one more girl, Aishwarya. Okay, she asked.
Nivedita,
Uh,
mute yourself. Hmm. So that is the things. Like I have sent one file, and in the I told you in the SAP Easy Access screen also you will get all the T codes. At the time of practical, you can write all the T codes by. That is, I am giving tasks to you. All the students, you need to write all the T codes and let me send in the group. I just get to know how many T codes you have known. Okay, few of the till I think GL accounts I have given to you in the first when I started the class. And after this, what are the T codes I have used in SAP Easy Access that you need to write, which I have used, not all the T codes, which is required for FICO, all these things you have to write that. Okay, so that is the things, and that is a task for you.
Ma'am,
That
will
is the
it
one
be
more
on Google
assignments.
Forms?
It will be in the MCQs only, online test.
Online,
Would
ma'am,
you,
but like, will it be in camera or
I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link. You can use any device and you can answer it. From mobile also you can answer it. Means it will link only. I'll send in the group and you have to take the exams.
just fill the form, nothing else like join or to join like a meeting
Ah,
and
you
then
have to
do it.
fill the form. There is some common details will be there like your name, your email ID, and what college you are studying. Okay, few basics questions will be there related to your personal details. Then other questions will be there. You have to just click on this and submit last. It's in Google form only.
How many questions will be there?
I'll let you know by tomorrow. Okay, questions and MCQs only. You just have to choose the correct answer and submit at last. But the few common details about your personal details, it will be there, like which college, what is your name, what is email ID, mobile number, that and all you have to fill.
Is there like a pass criteria? Like,
We'll discuss after the class students. First, we'll start the sessions. Do not worry about the exam. I'll be telling on Wednesday also, tomorrow also. Okay. So first you study properly, then we'll discuss about that. Okay. So let's start the sessions today. I taught you last class GST. Few students has done, those who have not done, and once it will complete today, I'll try to finish. If not tomorrow, then we'll do one more time. Whatever doubts you have from the beginning, again from the defined company, I'll just clear it. Which point, what doubts you have, we are going to clear in the next two classes. Is that okay? Next two classes will clarify whatever doubts you have. Then only we'll complete on this. Once again, let's start with the GST configurations.
man, your screen is not.
I'll just open that file. Screen I have not shared. I'll share once again. So what we have done last class? Till how much we have done? Check it out once. We have created conditions type. We have created, right? Conditions type we have created. Uh, what range I have given? M range I have given, right? So then accounting keys. We have created accounting keys. OBCN slash N.
Ma'am, we have created the accounting keys for input.
I'll just check it out. OBCN positions. Yes, we have created MIC, MIS, MI. This and all we have created. Okay. Next, we have created tax code. This is all done. This is all done. Okay. Tax code OBQ3. I just, I remember now. We have created this slash and OBQ3. So tax procedure, what we have created? TAX ND we have created, right? Tax procedure for India we have created. I'll create on control. This also we have done. Next, we have to create tax code. What is that? FTXP. This is very important. The T code FTXP. Then assign procedure to OBBG. We need to assign all these steps. We'll check once again. OBBG. So slash NBBG. If I'll give here. So let's take positions IN. India TXI. Yes, it is done. Next, we have to create tax code. One second. Tax code FTXP. So, what are the tax code we have created? We'll just check it out. Slash N FTXP. So, country is India. Yes, we have created M1, M2, all these things, right? M1, M2, all these things we have created. So, M3 I need to create. M2 also I have created. Now I am going to create M3. Press enter. M3 is not defined. We have to do M3. So this is out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Central. Yes.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the T code?
FTXP. FTXP is the T code for this. So this
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
output. Okay. Click on continue. So I'm going to create MOC 14% and this is also 14. So what we need to do, students, press enter and click on save. So M3 was created. Now I'm going to create M4. Click on this. Sorry. M4, press enter. We need to create M4. So out interstate GST. Out interstate GST. At the rate 28%. This is tax type is like output. Okay, press enter. So this is 28%. Same procedure how you did for that. Likewise. So four things we have created. If I'll click on this, you can see M1 is input central and state GST. M2 is interstate GST 20%. M3 is out central state GST 28%. M4 is out interstate GST 28%. All this you got. Next, what we need to do after creations of the tax code, we need to create one. What is that? GL account. So we need to create GL
1 minute,
accounts.
ma'am. I'm still creating.
Create this. Two we created last class and two I have created now. So you have to create in this way. I'm showing you now. So what range, letter range you have given that you have to use. Suppose you have used S. So S3, S4. You are using J. So J3, J4 like this because 1 and 2 numbers already we created in the last class. So this is the tax code creation, students. These three classes will be very much important for you today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Do not miss any one single day also. Once it's done, let me know. Take a screenshot of this and send in the group that I'll confirm that all the T code, all the what is the tax code you have created. Those who have completed, send in the group. So we'll confirm about that. So anyone has done? All tax code has been created means you can send the screenshot so we can proceed the next procedure. Hardly 2-3 steps is there students, then we can revise from this also. Snehashri,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done this tax code creations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send anyone, Anushri, anyone you send. So I'll confirm it that you are understanding all this. Then only 3 to 4 steps is there. That's all. Like we have to create some GS, then we'll do vendor posting and payment. So as soon as we'll complete this full all the courses, then we can devise at least 2 days. That is my I have decided on that. We'll do from once beginning the revisions, those who have stuck or those who have joined in the middle due to the any software issues or some things, they will at least find out where is the stucking point and they can rectify this. Okay, now I'll proceed then. No one is sending. So anyhow, I have saved this. We'll go that and GL creation slash n fs 00. So I'm going to create liabilities, that is your what is that? All the stacks will be creating on library. So 2000 2 lakhs 2 I'm going to create. 2 lakhs 2. What I need to create here? I need to create under liabilities, that is INP input central GST input central GST. Someone has asked me in my personal number in morning. I got this. So student, please do not ask in the person because I'll be busy in classes. So if you'll ask in our class sessions, then it's be better. What I'm saying. I saw it's. I'll not be able to reply because I'll catch up with the classes here. So those who have a doubt, they can ask here only. Okay. So line item display. I think Lisa has asked yesterday or today or something like this. So field status group is what we need to select. Field status group. So tax
Ma'am,
office
in control data, we need to
Z041.
select line item display, no, ma'am.
Yes. See this balance sheet, liabilities, input central GST, input central GST. So long text and short text they have given. Control data as it is INR, but tax category you need to select M1. And then line item display posting date is 001. Then what you have to do, you have to select G041 is which is for tax office clearing accounts. So Shreya, I think Shreya has sent here out interstate GST. You have not mentioned the rate. There is little mistakes on this. I3 and I4. I3 is central and state GST I3. So I'll mention here in this pictures what you need to do, I3 will be central. That's what I told. Send the picture so I'll get to know.
Yes, ma'am. I
Central.
forgot to type that in the title. Can I change that?
Try to change if it is happening. I do not
Ma'am,
know.
there's no edit option there. It's just
Edit option
copy.
is not there. What to do then? You do one thing. Go to the tax code FTXP. Type that I3 and press enter. And because it will be problem then. That's what I'm telling. I shown you
Ma'am, but I
that's what
put
for
the
few
tax
minutes.
percentage properly, like 14 and 14, and for interstate, I put 28 and interstate only. So only the
Listen here.
name
I'm
is.
typing that. I'm typing that. You check it out. Interstate GST. You need to type in that way. Interstate GST at the rate 28%. See, it is like this. So I3 is central and state GST 20%. I4 is interstate GST 20% like this. There is a little mistakes on this. M1, M2 is correct, but M3, this you have to do out central GST. Okay. So here you have to write out. Then you have to give this one. This is also out. Okay. If possible, you rectify or else not a problem. In sales, it is required. Purchase entries are correct only because we are going to do purchase entry today. Hmm? So this after this, save that. And next GL, 3 GLs we need to create students. 2 lakhs input they have created. Then I'll create 2 lakhs 3. 2 lakhs 3. Okay, 2 lakhs 2 already. 2 lakhs 3. And here types and descriptions, balance sheet, liability, input, state GST. Okay, so same way you create. Next is 2 lakhs 4. Hmm. So same way you have to create this all. I'm not going to create the sales now, so I have done this. Sorry, this is I have not given. 1 second. Okay, so this has done. Now I'll go to the what is that? Slash and all these things you created, students. GL created.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm almost done.
Create this, then we'll go to the invoice. Likewise, we have to create for customers also. But what I'm saying, I have to create one more vendors. How the person who is not in Bangalore, locations will give some other place, because interstate cannot be possible to Bangalore, right? Because our company is in Bangalore. Bangalore to Bangalore means intrastate. First, we'll do intrastate transactions. Then I will create one more vendor account that will do interstate.
Ma'am, while creating input state GST, tax
Hmm.
category, did you give it as M1 or M2, ma'am?
State M1 only.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I gave it as S2. Can I change it?
S1 you
Now I
give.
saved it.
No,
I
you can
saved it
change it. You
always. It
can
was
edit on this.
okay,
Edit
ma'am.
option is there. Change option
Okay,
is
ma'am.
there. Go select that and click on change. Go to the tax category. You give S1 or something,
Okay, ma'am.
because F2 and that is 2 number is for I have given for interstate. So that will be another one more GL. So you can see I have created 3 GLs here: central GST, state GST, and interstate GST.
Ma'am, so central and state is M1,
Hmm?
M1, and state is M2.
M2 is the interstate.
Okay, thank you.
All it is done. All 3 GLs we have created. And do not forget, create bank interest is Z0, this one Z041, that is for tax office clearing account. All three will be Z041. And next I'll go to the slash and 60. Slash and FB60 is for what, students? Vendor invoice. So vendor account we need to choose Ankita traders. I'll be taking invoice date 12, and amount I'll give suppose 11,000 or 12,000. 12,000 is yours. 13, 14, 15, 16,000 I'm giving. Okay. What you have to do, you have to click on calculate tax. Then here you have to select M2. M1. Sorry, M1 you have to select. First you fill this, then I'll proceed. First you have to give the vendor account. Next you have to put the invoice date. Then you have to put the amount. After putting amount, you have to click on calculate tax. Then in the drop down menu, here drop down menu is there. You need to select the first one. Those who have given J range J1 or S1. Then you have to click on GL account. GL account, I should give purchase account. Amount is what is that? 16,000. Okay, students. Okay, I have not enabled the tax for this 4 lakhs. Okay. One second, students. Expenses slash n. I'll just check it out for this slash n. That's 00. What is there in 4,000? So we need to add a change.
Ma'am, to change, to enable the
One
task,
second, one second. There is some error is displaying, so I'm rectifying that. Okay, it's taking students. I'll tell you where I have to edit. One second, why it's not taking you? Uh, TA51 vendors we need to select. Ankita Traders. Invoice date 12. Amount is 16,000. This is purchase account 16. Tax code is not displaying. One second. Okay, there is a balance. Posting is only possible with a zero balance. Correct the document. One second. There is some balance. Okay, just a minute. I'll just small amount I'll put. 3000 base amount, posting key tax base amount, tax and M1. This is correct. This what is the error actually? I see. So tax center correct M1 amount, correct I-40 NR message number. This one. We have to see the ledger balances. One second. Slash n. Procedure is same only, but it is there is some balance entries are there. So I'll take Rohan Traders invoice date. Let's take for Rohan Traders 16,000. Calculate the tax. So it is your purchase account amount 16,000. Press enter. 50. Okay, zero balance posting is only possible with a zero balance. I check it where it is the actually it is there is some balance problem is there. We have to see the ledger balances slash n FBL 1n or 3n. Ledger balances we need to display. No item selected in the long text. Okay, there is a we'll create one more FK01. We'll create one more vendors, not a problems. So press enter. We'll create company and I'll create your uh, Priyanka Traders. New ledgers I'm creating students. New that party ledger 560011. City is Bangalore. Country India. Reason 10. Press enter. 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 Reconciliation account. Sunday creditor. Short key 001. Cash management A1. Click on save. Okay. Let's take one more. Company name is PRATHE Pratham Traders. Okay, and this is your 5600. No, I'm not going to give pin code. Some things I'm giving 34, and this is I'm giving city is what is that? OT. Anything I'll give OT, and your country is India. Reason is Tamil Nadu. I should give Madhya Pradesh, not Tamil Nadu. Okay. So press enter, enter, enter. Reconciliation account. Short key 001. And this is a 1. Click on save. So this also created. Now I'll go to the slash n FB60. T code is TA51. Now what you have to do? Vendors you have to select. Vendors I am taking here Priyanka Traders. Invoice date 12. Amount 3000. Tax I have to clear M1. This is GL account. Purchase account. Amount is 3000. Press enter. TA51. Posting is only possible with a zero balance current document. We'll check it. It is I think software or something. Why this option is displaying? I'll check it out. Operate on the NICT tax amount. No special just document. I'll take it display. Okay, let's see once. So that is the things amount I'll give 3,000. If it is not created, we can get for the customers. We'll check it out here. It is posted, students. It is posted. I'll show you slash and VL1. So we'll clear items on 12th. Okay, 3,000 has been done. It's done. Now we have to make payment. How it is done? Once I'll show you. Students, just check it with your FS00. It's already solved. Slash and FS00. Go to this your expenses purchase account. You go, students, and display. I'm going to show you types and descriptions control data. Do not give tax category here. Do not give tax category. Create bank interest Z001. But you need to give on this tax category on this one, types and descriptions on the control data. Only in the central and state you can give. Students, do not give on purchase account tax category. Okay. Then you can go to the slash and FB60. Try it once. Purchase account you
Ma'am,
should
can
not
you
give, what I am
show us
saying.
how you? Okay.
Hmm? Purchase account do not enable tax category. Harshita, any doubts you have? Do not enable the tax category means do not give, only in the central GST, state GST, and interstate GST you have to. Central and state you have to give M1, and state you have to give N. So next what we need to do, we have to go to the payment sections. So we'll do one more entries. FB60. Give the company code, and here you can choose the traders. I am choosing the same only, Priyanka Traders, and invoice date 12. I'm just giving small amount as a 2,000. Click here calculated tax M1. Here you give enter purchase account. Amount is 2,000. Press enter. Two times you do it. It is taking actually. Students, two times you need to press enter. Then it is getting saved. And slash and F-53.
Ma'am, can you go a little slow?
Huh. When it is showing yellow color, no, that time two times you need to press enter, it will accept it. We'll do lot of transactions, does not matter. GST is very important. So here I'll do payment to vendor.
Ma'am, what's the T code?
Hmm. Have you done one invoice entries?
Yes, ma'am, but what's the T code, ma'am?
Huh? Where you are getting stuck?
Ma'am, I did the invoice. I'm asking the T code, ma'am.
Invoice slash and FB 60.
Ma'am, for me it says account is not tax relevant, tax code will be ignored.
Huh, just do one more time you press enter. It is taking.
Ma'am, I'm asking the T code for the payments, ma'am.
F-53. See student, this much you fill. Document date, posting date, INR. All INR is all you have to do, and this one you post it. Process open items. It is taking now. Click on post. Difference is too
Ma'am, can
large
you show it
because we
again?
need to pay 2000. So total is 5000. So we need to clear. It is not taking. So I'll do one shot as 5000. I'll cancel it. At a shot, you can give 5000 because 2000 plus 3000, two entries we have done, no? So at a time, I'll give 5000, so it will be accepting here. First, one entries if you will post, then it will be good because if you do more accounts, it will be asking you like payment is too different or something. It will ask. Okay, one entries, invoice entries you have done. Just make the payment for that. Do not do two entries like me. So I'm going to directly post 5000 for this. Now it's posted students. What is that? If you do partially it will take you that error message. So suppose 3000 first I entered, then 2000 I have entered. So what is that it was displaying? It is like difference is 2. So in that case directly 5000 I made the payment, means total clear. Okay, you do like this. What amount you have given, I am not knowing. I have given first 3000, then 5000 I have given. So I have taken for premium traders, cleared items.
Ma'am, while making a payment, we need to enter document date, company code, currency,
Hmm.
account, amount,
Hmm.
clearing text, and another account, no, ma'am.
Yes. So this all should display here on this vendor line items. So this payment has been done, students.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please repeat the T code for vendor payment?
Slash and F-53.
Ma'am, for me it says an entry is required in value date field for account 1 lakh 1.
Value date you should give same date only. Then you click on process items.
Ma'am, after process open items, what do I do?
Hmm?
After process open item, what do I do?
I'm not getting your voice. Little loudly you tell.
Ma'am, after process open data, what do I
Hmm.
do?
Click on save button. So I'm going to check. Same way accounts receivable also you can do. You have to create one customer. Now I am going to do an interstate transaction slash n FB60, which I have created one new party ledger, which is under Tamil Nadu, that I am going to take. So vendors, I have
Ma'am, can you go
created
a little
one
slow?
Pratham
Can you
Traders.
show us when you, ma'am,
Is it safe for data? Payment has been done.
ma'am, you created for Tamil Nadu, no, ma'am. Can you show us again once?
Same procedure FK01, because the vendor has created which will not display. That only I'm telling you. Slash and FK01. How I told the procedure, like this you do. First you have to select company, then the trader's name you give, then country India, select the state. I have given UT. I have not given pin code for that, and you can give some pin code, but UT I have taken. Then reason is you have to select Tamil Nadu. You have to click on that menu and you have to click on Tamil Nadu. Then two times you press enter, then go to the reconciliation account.
Ma'am, can you tell the T code for that again?
Huh?
The T code for creating vendor.
FK01 slash n FK01 slash n FK01. Once again, students, will do one more entries. So it will be clarify here. Interstate, we are going to do tax code currency not required. Just a minute, students. Basic data.
Ma'am, we don't have to enter house number, postal
Hmm?
code, and region for UT
What happened?
vendor. For UT vendor, do we have to enter street number, postal code? And
Everything you have to fill.
region.
Ah,
Ma'am, what is the region for Uti?
I'm not getting your questions.
Ma'am,
Why?
region
Because
for
it is
Uti.
a reason is Tamil Nadu. You have to select that. Tamil Nadu. You click on
Okay,
this
ma'am.
like this button is there, no? That you click. You'll get the Tamil Nadu there. You will get there. If you click on this type of symbol, you will get Tamil Nadu. Same way you do for that items also. Have you created one more time? I'll show you then. Have you created for Tamil Nadu?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So select this person which you have created for Tamil Nadu. I have taken for Uti. Invoice date I have given this 12. Payment details taxes. Fill the required field DA51. Click on the tax details.
Ma'am, when we previously created, we didn't fill in tax detail, no, ma'am.
It will take automatically.
Okay, this time we need to enter it, or how is it, ma'am?
This is for interstate I am doing, no? So only I am putting there.
Okay, okay.
Interstate. Now for the different state I am doing here. So I need to fill that one. So where you have to click on tax and select that. So just I am taking one small amount for this. So document was posted. Same procedure, only tax you have to go and fill that. Likewise, how much you can practice like that. But you should be careful about this. Means what I'm saying. Party ledger is very important. You have created under Bangalore or other place. because if you create in Bangalore and you are doing interstate, it will not accept. There will be a lot of error will display. The document cannot be posted on that case. Okay, so that is the most important things here. What wrong I have given? Petty cash accounts I have given. What to do? I have wrongly entered. Wait, I'll cancel it. So this is all vendor posting what way. This same way you can do for customer, and you have to tell me it has been done or not. Okay, for sales also you can do it. Document was posted. So this is all we have done for this. So all payment has been done. Okay, so this is the details which we'll find out.
Ma'am, you're going really fast.
All it is no, I have same transactions only I am doing. You can do it later on more. I'm not doing for customer today. Only vendors. Have you done any payment entries? Payment entries
Ma'am, I
has been
did the
done?
yes, ma'am, I did the first one that you did.
Huh? I stop now. Now I'm not doing anything that you post it. Then customer in the same way we have to
First
customer
thing,
also.
like you
Output you
did
have
it.
to set. Out
Uh,
state you have to create.
yes, ma'am.
GS you have
Ma'am,
to create.
it's
That is a
not
tax for
letting
you.
me. It's
Huh?
not letting me enter anything. Ma'am, it's not letting me enter anything in the tax column.
Where? Share the screen now. Sneha Srina, share the screen. I'll enable
Ma'am,
you.
one second, ma'am. I'll no, ma'am. I'll redo it and I'll send pictures if I have doubts, ma'am. I'm not. Uh,
For customer, we'll do tomorrow. Today, whatever doubts you have related to GST, you clarify. Customer will do tomorrow, and we'll do start revisions on it. Who wants to share the screen right now? Anyone wants to share the screen? Anyone has done one payment transactions? If you want to share the screen, you can share now. Ashini or Anusha? Anusha is there.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
We have a time 15 minutes. If you want to share the screen, you can clear your doubts also. If students want to share this screen, I'll element. What? I am there too. Okay. Understood. But do you want to share the screen, Ashini? Because today topic is this much. Customer, I'll tell you tomorrow. Because if I'll tell you customers will confuse, so I'll do it tomorrow for customers. It's fine. Okay. So have you done this, Ashini? Till payment? F-53? Those who have understood, you can just put a reply. Till vendor payment, how to enable GST, how to create tax code, how to define the tax procedure. There is a lot longer procedure in GST we did in 3 classes. One more customer posting I'll be telling you. Okay, you are doing. Palak is not there today. Palak is there. Palak, how much you have done? Tomorrow
Ma'am,
after
I'm
this.
actually
Tell me.
yes, ma'am, I'm actually doing the last class work, ma'am. Like I got stuck
Okay.
there, so
Any doubts you have? Ask in the class because in class only I can solve your doubts because other times I'll be in class here in center classes also. Today I saw one student has message but I did not get time to tell that. I don't know who is that students. One student has sent, I think Lisa. Lisa is attending now. See, in class only I can solve you students because other day we are catch up with the office work as well as classes and all. So better you can ask in this class itself. I got 2 students and one student. No, only one student by name Lisa. She has mentioned that.
Ma'am, now I'm in the box which is under the option tax, ma'am, and it says tax document currency and tax code. What do I enter there, ma'am?
If you share, I can see. Na, I am not able to tell properly. Means like if you share, I can see where is the mistakes is there. You are able to share.
Ma'am, I've sent a picture of
Pick you
the
sent orders. I'll just get to know where you have stuck. Picture also you can send. Vendor invoice. Tax code, no. So click on the tax code. To calculate tax, you remove the tick mark. It will not display orders. And you have to click on this drop down menu and select the first one. You are doing for Tamil Nadu means you have to use two. Means
yes, ma'am, I
S2
did
or
S2.
something. Okay. Then
Yes,
you
ma'am, I
come
did S2.
back to the basic data. Because for interstate only I'll go there. So that's what the things.
Yes, ma'am, then.
Okay. Now you post these transactions, post these entries, then make payment.
Ma'am, what's the payment T code?
Hmm?
Ma'am, what's the payment T code? Slash and
F
F
hyphen
hyphen.
slash and F hyphen 53. This you don't forget. That is for post outgoing payments. For post incoming payments is F hyphen 20. These vendors and customer all T codes you have to remember. Just like what is the T code for tax code creations FTXP. Do not forget that. OBQ3 for what? Tax procedure creations OBCN. This GST name is FTXP, which is the used for tax code creations. Likewise, from the chart of accounts and others, you have to understand this and follow the my PPT what I have sent in the beginning. Okay, there is a presentation also. Who has introduced what is that? What is that? Who is the CEO of SAP? Okay, what are the functional model? I have given the assignments also, one small assignments related to theory that also till chart of accounts you can do. And then you have to come to the vendors invoice, customer invoice, and GL posting. What is the T code for GL line item display? Which I'm keep on repeating in the class that you have to practice and you have to remember. Okay, that is the things. Now, what is the ERP? What do you mean? What is the full form of ERP? Okay, SAP is the ERP software. Just revising this. What is the theories is there? SAP is the ERP software. What is the full form of ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, and what are the functional module of SAP like SD, PP, and FICO? FICO is the first one. Then we have a material management. Then SD, sales and distributions, production and planning. HR module is also there. Likewise, what is the R3 architecture? R3 architecture is like production level. So there is a three level, three tier architecture, productions, presentations, and what is that? Database layer. That is the three tier architectures. Okay, that whatever I taught in this presentations as well as the practicals, that all you have to read. Or once how much you will practical you will do and follow my presentation. Entire presentations. I have sent one two presentations that you need to follow. And what I'm saying,
Excuse me,
what
ma'am.
is, huh,
Ma'am, what will be the format of the test on Saturday?
MCQs,
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
objective type. Just four options will come. You need to choose one. Maybe true false also will come. Options will come. You need to choose any means correct one. You have to choose. Okay, that is there is no
How many
writings or
marks is
something
it
like that.
for, ma'am?
Huh? How many questions? I'll just let you know by tomorrow. I think 60 questions may comes. I think I'm not sure. And each question carries to 1 mark or something. 60 or maybe 30. I'll let you know by tomorrow. And
Ma'am,
this
there's
all
no
are
negative
MCQs.
marking, no?
Negative marking is not there. How much correct answers, that much you'll get. No negative markings on this. Only in government sector exams like banking and all, negative marking is there. In this award center exam, there is no negative markings for any subjects. We are not giving negative marks. So that is the things. This is all online students. You can use the. So what date has been decided? Like I'm finishing by 14th with revision. Tomorrow we'll do one customer invoice and we'll start from this beginning and let's take overall view. What and all which point you have stuck in open and close posting period or you have stuck in like GL posting. Whatever doubts, queries you have. Suppose Padak is doing some things and she's getting stuck. In that case also we can rectify all these things like the GS, then how to create invoices, how to do normal posting, and one parking and posting also must. There's a T code for parking, what is the posting, how to see the display ledger balances. GL account balances is FBL3N, okay, and vendor line displays FBL1N. Like this, you have to remember. It is in the SAP Easy Access screen on the T codes are there. What do you mean by post going payment? That means vendor payment. What is incoming post incoming payment? That means We are receiving money from customer. So like this, so, whatever I taught, everything you have to practice and you have to remember that. Any other queries? Srija, see, I have few things I have sent because other files I have deleted or it is there. I have to check it out. Anyone is joining with you means in your batch, so you can ask them. Already I have sent in the group. Right now it's not there. Already I have sent in the group and I have deleted that thing. Few of this was there, so I have sent it out. If anything is there like GS and all, I'll send you. By tomorrow I'll send it. But almost everything is recordings is there. I have taught recordings. In the recordings, you can find out what is the steps and what you have to follow on that. And few of those notes I have sent. I think full GST configurations I'll be sending today. You just check it out. Full GST implementations because GST almost done, so I'll be sending out. That is the things. So enter vendor invoice, company code. Same it is the customer will do, but I'm not going to do in this notes. It is not their customer. For output, I'll do tomorrow. I'm not going to send. Only input you have to create, and this all post procedure you need to follow. Whatever I have done, maybe your company code and date will be different. Okay. If you have done practical, even you can also create your own notes because your one thing is changes like I have used Z range or some things. You can open your software and you can see what code you have used. All these things are there. Okay, so that's the things. Okay. So any other queries, students? Any other queries you have? Hmm? Chance you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, please send a screenshot. And little about customer, I'll tell you tomorrow. Intrastate as well as interstate. It will finish by 7 o'clock. Then we'll do start revision. So, no doubts. Everyone done. Acha, put a reply on this. Sneha Sri, what tax code range you have created? S1.
Yes, ma'am.
So, no doubt. We'll wind up the session. No one is answering.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
all silent today? Harshita, Yashita. See, there's 2 minutes is there. If you have doubts, you ask, or else we'll find it. The GST part is the longer one. Accounting keys is OBC and this all you have to do. Define tax procedure, locate judgments for account conditions. Little changes I will do on this. I will send you by tomorrow morning. Not in evening. I'll send you by tomorrow morning because the stacks codes I have used different one. No, so I'll change it out. M range I have created. So I'll just see in the software. I'll change it out. This notes definitely I'll send you by tomorrow morning. Is that clear, students? So we'll wind up the sessions today.
Yes, ma'am.
This particular notes I'll just edit on that because I have used M range in the notes Z range, so you should not confuse. So little bit I'll do changes and company code also I'll be changing. So I'll send you out tomorrow morning. Okay, by 10 o'clock, not. I think by 11 or 11:30 I'll be sending you out. Is that okay? So that's all for the day. Bye bye.